Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super easy it is to install SuperATV's aluminum doors on this Can-Am Defender. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove all the hardware securing the factory netting to the machine. These two screws here. The two T30s here. The T30 right here. Then we're going to flip the bed up and remove these two push pins. Then the T30 located right here. Then we'll just grab a hold of this side panel right here, lift it straight off the machine and set it aside for the time being. Then we'll remove this last T30 right here. And our net's removed from the machine now. Then we're going to remove the top portion of our seat here. All we're going to do is grab a hold of it, pull it straight out, then pull it straight up and off. Then we're going to remove these two 15mm bolts. Then we're going to remove our protector tube. Slide it off. Then we're going to remove this bolt. Next, we're going to take our lower bracket and install it to the two holes that we previously removed the long gold bolts from. So it's going to slide in front of this portion of the seat belt, the one that doesn't have the buckle on it, and the side that does have a buckle, it's going to sit just like this. Whenever you do this, you want to make sure that both of the seat belts are moved out of the way. Then we're going to take our long gold bolts, slide them through the factory holes that they previously were removed from. And we'll take our nuts and go ahead and get them started. And then we don't really want to fully tighten it yet, because we're going to have to adjust it around whenever we go to install our door. Now we're going to grab our striker mount and our M8 by 20mm Allen headed screws. And we're going to slide them out in here just like this. And this bracket's threaded on the opposite side, so the screws will screw straight through into the other side of the bracket. I just want to get them started here. We're not going to fully tighten them yet. Now we're going to grab our door. All we're going to do is take our door, get it lined up with our previously installed bracket back here. We're going to use the short provided hardware. Make sure you get it started good and straight. We're going to attach the door to where the protector tube was using our M6 hardware and our nut. Just going to lift the door into place. And the bolt will actually thread through, and then we're going to put a nut on the back side. So we got it good and started straight. We're just going to run it all the way through, just like that. And we're going to take our nut. We're going to grab our striker bracket, one of our jam nuts, and then a nylock nut and two washers, as well as another Allen headed screw. We're going to take this bracket and slide it into place, just like that. We're going to take our screw, put it through, and just go ahead and get it started. And it can still pivot back and forth, it just can't fall out. So we're going to take our shoulder bolt. We've got our nut ran up the threads. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a washer on it, and a washer on the back side. Then what we'll do, we'll go ahead and tighten it. That way we can check to see how far off or if it's good or what we have to do to get it set correctly. So now we're going to take our door and gently kind of get it all lined up to where it's going to need to be. Open the door. We're going to go ahead and set where our striker needs to be, which is going to be right there because that's where we just set it and tested it out at. So right there, it latches good. So the first thing we're going to do is go back here to the rear and fully tighten our 15mm bolt. And we're gonna come right here and tighten these 13mm bolts. And we're gonna close our door. Looks like it latches good. Looks like it's not hitting anywhere. Looks like it opens up nicely. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our 2 screws down here to where our factory netting was. We're gonna grab our side panel. Go ahead and get it reinstalled. Put our 2 push pins in it. We're gonna make sure that we reinstall our screw that was previously installed. And then we're just gonna repeat all these steps for the opposite side. Then go through, double check to make sure your hardware is tight. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's aluminum doors on this Can-Am Defender. For more information on these doors or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.